Tiffany? Who the heck is Tiffany? Seriously, I can't believe you're talking to another girl.
Oh, please just relax. It's not...
Tiffany just texted you saying, does your girlfriend know? What is that supposed to mean?
All right, look, please just give me a second, all right? Please, let me explain.
Explain what? Today is our anniversary, and this is the surprise I get?
I know what you're thinking, but it's...
She just texted you again, saying, I am outside. Are you coming?
Okay, look, it's not what you think. You have the wrong idea. It's not...
I knew it.
Babe.
Special delivery. What is this?
This is Tiffany, bringing you your gifts from me for our anniversary.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry.
No.
I don't know what to say.
Look, I realize that I haven't always been the best boyfriend to you. Remember that time I decided to go out with my boys instead of staying with you? And you were texting me, but I didn't even care to respond all night? At the time, I thought I was trying to be cool in front of the guys, but now I realized I broke your trust. Or that time you were busy cooking me dinner and I left my phone in the kitchen. You saw a text come in from my ex and saw we had been texting for a while and I never told you. And seeing your face, I realized I broke your heart. And then there was that time you were doing my laundry and you looked at my collar and found lipstick on my shirt. With lips that you knew weren't yours. In that moment, hearing your voice, I realized I broke myself. And after those moments, I realized I could never hurt you again. I was trying to be a guy that I'm not, and I promise you I'm not that guy anymore. I don't want to be with anyone else. I only want to be with you. So, happy anniversary, babe. I love you. And I'll never do anything to break us again.
I love you too.
Breaking trust is like dropping a glass vase. It quickly shatters into different pieces. Whether those pieces can be put back together takes real honesty and strength from both sides. If you're the one that's broken trust, know that if your partner is willing to forgive you, it's going to be a long road to recovery. It's not going to be easy for you, but just remember, it's going to be even harder for them. If you're the one that's trust has been broken, know that by giving a second chance, you may just be setting up yourself to be hurt again. But if you're willing to try, here's the 3 things to look for. Acknowledgement. Does your partner acknowledge their mistake? Do they genuinely feel bad, or do they only feel bad because they got caught? You can't change what you can't see. If they're not open and honest, then it's time to move on. If they genuinely acknowledge their mistake, the next step is to look for commitments. Are they committed to change, or is the commitment short-lived? Change isn't easy and requires real commitment to happen. If they're not committed, it's time to move on. If they are, the final step is consistency. It only takes a moment to break trust, but it can take years to rebuild. Consistency is key to show that change is permanent. If they're not consistent, move on. But if they acknowledge their mistakes, commit to change and show consistency, then give them a chance. The pain may have just been that turning point you needed to create a relationship that's better than ever.